Hello everybody, and welcome to this video about SolidWorks Assembly. In SolidWorks we can create assemblies file after we have created the component of that assembly. So on the screen is the air circulator, which is a common assembly in the industry. In the assembly we can make a part, a component transparent, so that we can see what is going on inside this part. Or maybe we can just hide this part completely, so this way we can investigate the motion, the dynamic of the motion of the parts, and if there is any interference or collision. For example, here I can we can show and hide any component. We can make it transparent or opaque. So for example, this blower now is completely transparent, and we can see the motion of the pulley. Or we can hide it completely, and now we can investigate the motion carefully. Also, what we can do in SolidWorks assemblies, we can create exploded views, which is very powerful to help the people in the assembly department to understand how the components are related to each other. So this is exploded view, and we can also hide or show the components, make them transparent. We can also create animation so that exactly the way or the method of assembly of the components become very clear for the people working in the assembly department. This is, for example, animation file. This is very useful even for our customer, our client, for them how to assemble the components, how to disassemble. We can also create animation or motion study about our component. For example, there are three types of motion study. The simplest one is the animation, which means I'm going to rotate or move the camera around my assembly and view the assembly from different point of view. This way we have a clear picture about the assembly. This is sometimes also used in when we have exhibition, for example. We can make a section view, and with dynamic section plane, so the section plane can be located anywhere and get the section view. Very helpful to see if there is any problem or if there is any interference between the component. We can also create a blueprint, so a drawing file, and show section at any place. Section can be in XY plane or YZ plane, right side view, for example, like this. And again, we can move the section plane anywhere and create the required section view. Very helpful. And still we can move the component and investigate the motion. All right, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.